Hello there, everybody. This is Holly McWilliams with Indigo Arts, and thank you for joining me today with another version of my studio tips and tricks. What we're going to talk about today will save you hours in the studio. Now, this is the time for when you're wanting to make changes to your painting, but you're not really too sure what. You can see my reference on the left here and my painting on the right. I feel like, although I've followed it, I've made a few changes here and there just for fun, I do find that the painting is falling a little bit flat. I feel like it needs a little something. Now, sometimes I will do this with a piece of glass. In this case, I have a plastic presentation sleeve. So I've just sort of taped it to the upper corner of my painting that's a little bit more dry. And what I've done here is I've painted an addition of an idea on the plastic presentation sleeve. So looking at the painting here, you know, it's kind of not winning. It's a little lame, you know, like it doesn't feel like it has that pizzazz. Putting the presentation sleeve back up, I can experiment with adding another element such as the cherries, but what that's doing is bringing the red up into the blue zone. And so it's adding a little bit more harmony with color throughout the whole entire painting. But the best thing about this is that I have it painted on this plastic sleeve. So if I tried something that maybe didn't work out or I didn't like, I just need to wipe off the presentation sleeve. And then there you go. Now I'm loving it. Total win. This painting is awesome. Huge thumbs up. So the plastic sheet or even a piece of glass kicking around in the studio is just awesome. It's going to save you a ton of time of experimentation and also allow you to take the pressure off so that you can experiment. You can see the painting with the cherries actually on it. I love this so much more. It's got a little bit more oomph to it. I love the way that the stems go with the straws, and there you go. So this is from my studio to yours. Have fun painting and creating, you guys. Thanks for joining me.